Questions 8 and 9 ask you to solve for the variable. So if I look at number 8, it seems very complicated, but the first thing that I'm going to do is distribute. So I'll distribute the negative 2, and remember I'm distributing a negative here, and I'll distribute the positive 4. So I'm going to get negative 6y plus 12. So the negative 2 times the negative 6 essentially here gives me a positive 12, plus 20y minus 32 equals 92. So I distributed the 4, got 4 times 5 is 20y, and then 4 times 8 gave me the 32, and I brought down the subtraction. Then I can combine like terms. As long as my variables are on the same side of the equal sign, I can combine them. So 20 minus 6y is 14y, and 12 minus 32 is a negative 20 equals 92. Then I would solve this like a two-step equation. I'd add 20 to both sides. I get that 14y equals 112, and then I need to go to my calculator, divide by 14 on both sides, and I would say 112, divided by 14 gives me 8. So y equals 8. I can certainly go back and plug that back in, and I do recommend that you do that. So I'd say negative 2 times 3 times 8 minus 6, close the parenthesis, plus 4 times 5 times 8 minus 8, close the parenthesis, gives me the 92 that I was expecting. It's pretty easy to go back and check your answer. I would strongly recommend doing that on the test. Number 9 is very similar. I'm going to start by adding 8 to both sides. So I get negative 9x equals 63. And then when I divide by a negative 9, I get that x equals negative 7 in this case, and I'll go back and plug that in. So let's take a look at what that might look like. Negative 9 times negative 7 minus 8 does indeed give me the 55 that I was hoping for. So I recommend taking your time and showing your work when it comes to solving equations, but I also recommend checking your answer.